People are often confused by the term pain and suffering and exactly what that means in an auto accident case. And it's an understandable question because pain and suffering is different for every individual case. In cases involving whiplash or disc herniations or an injury where someone may have received pain in their legs, sciatica, a problematic injury which is permanent, their pain and suffering is very unique and individual to them. For example, you may have someone who plays piano and she has permanent neck strain and permanent problems with her neck. She no longer is able to enjoy playing piano. That could be her profession. That is a substantial loss to her. It may not be a loss to other people who don't have the same hobbies, but that's a very real loss to her. Likewise, you can have a situation where someone engages in exercise, maybe runs marathons, maybe runs just recreational to blow off steam, and it's an important part of their life. We find that people after accidents are often required to lead somewhat of a sedentary life, and that results in their exercise and their health regimen becoming less than what it was before. This then leads to feelings of depression, and it leads to feelings of lack of self-worth. In your most serious cases, where you have someone who has lost a limb or someone who has significant scarring, you're dealing with emotions that I cannot even begin to explain. I can tell you of 18-year-olds who walk around in shame because they have scarring on their arm that despite the number of skin grafts they've had, it always stands out. And no matter how they try to ignore it, people always look at their scar. I can tell you of facial injuries that simply can't be repaired. And the pain and suffering and the mental anguish, the humiliation, the loss of self-worth, it's indescribable. So when people ask me, what is pain and suffering and how much is it worth, I can honestly tell you that it's individual to each person because everybody is unique and everybody's loss after an accident is unique to them. An experienced trial lawyer who cares about their clients should not treat each file or each client as a file and should pay attention to the details of each individual client because, after all, that is what we're here to do. We're here to help you recover for what you've lost.